Learn English with YourInstill.
Hi there, I'm Ava. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love cooking. How about you?
I enjoy playing basketball and hanging out with friends.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you play soccer?
No, I don't play soccer.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't go to the gym.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Do you speak another language?
Yes, I speak English but a little.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Do you swim often?
No, I don't swim often.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you write stories?
No, I don't write stories.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you like shopping?
No, I don't like shopping.
Do you visit your friends?
Yes, I visit my friends.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you enjoy hiking?
No, I don't enjoy hiking.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like art.
Do you enjoy photography?
No, I don't enjoy photography.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook often.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers.
Do you play chess?
No, I don't play chess.
Do you go for walks?
Yes, I go for walks.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't have a garden.
Do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I enjoy sports.
Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like to dance.
Do you play basketball?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you go cycling?
No, I don't go cycling.
Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for others.
Do you enjoy board games?
Yes, I enjoy board games.
Do you collect anything?
No, I don't collect anything.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you enjoy the rain?
No, I don't enjoy the rain.
Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, I like visiting museums.
Do you play tennis?
No, I don't play tennis.
Do you enjoy science?
Yes, I enjoy science.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I have a favorite book.
Do you like to sing?
No, I don't like to sing.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
Do you enjoy yoga?
Yes, I enjoy yoga.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I have a favorite movie.
Do you like thunderstorms?
No, I don't like thunderstorms.
Do you enjoy cooking new recipes?
Yes, I enjoy cooking new recipes.
Do you play golf?
No, I don't play golf.
Do you enjoy nature?
Yes, I enjoy nature.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Do you go running?
No, I don't go running.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I enjoy swimming.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I have a favorite hobby.
Do you like to travel alone?
No, I don't like to travel alone.
Do you enjoy festivals?
Yes, I enjoy festivals.
Do you play badminton?
No, I don't play badminton.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint.
Do you go to concerts?
No, I don't go to concerts.
Do you like to ride horses?
Yes, I like to ride horses.
Do you enjoy cooking for friends?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for friends.
Do you go to the library?
No, I don't go to the library.
Do you like to volunteer?
Yes, I like to volunteer.
Do you have a favorite sports team?
Yes, I have a favorite sports team.
Do you enjoy adventure sports?
No, I don't enjoy adventure sports.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.